I want you to stop overcomplicating your beauty routine. In 5 minutes, you're gonna have the prettiest skin. You're gonna even out your complexion, smooth out your skin, add beautiful brightness. The best part is it only takes 5 minutes. I'm sharing my easy makeup routine with you so you can stop being overwhelmed with makeup. It's a natural look and it's perfect for makeup beginners too. And I understand that makeup is hard for you. That's why I'm showing you the easiest way to enhance your skin. This is gonna save you all the time in the world, and watch how beautiful your skin is gonna look. Throw on your foundation, blend it out, girl. And right off the bat, look how luminous and flawless your skin looks compared to your bare face. And that's just with this one foundation color. And this is cream. That's why it immediately melds to your skin and it makes your skin look so youthful and hydrated and radiant. But look at that perfect match. You wanna know what color your foundation would be? Comment match. I'm gonna pick out the shade that's gonna look amazing on you and even out your skin tone. Because girl, heading to the website and trying to pick your own color off the pictures, that never works. Comment match, I'm gonna help you. Once you're all blended out, grab your cream contour. We're gonna put it here, here, and here. 4 places, and then you're gonna put it on the sides of your nose. And we're gonna wake up our faces with cream concealer, under eye, outer corner, right in between where you place your contour, and then right here between your brows. This is gonna kind of wake up your face, add some beautiful brightness. Back with that same brush, and watch how easy this blends. Look at that. Isn't that so much different than liquid concealer? No wait time. Just throw it on and just lightly tap to blend. I'm 44 and this cream makeup makes my skin look the best it's ever looked. It just gives like this pretty, just kind of radiance. It gives a youthful glow. It's just so quick and easy to blend. And look how the contour just kind of lifts and sculpts. And this is also easy to blend out. This is one of my favorite things. Grab a little bit of cream bronzer right here to your temples, where you place your contour. And girl, when you kind of blend this in, look at the glow. Look at how just it looks like you've been touched by the sun. It looks so just glowy and goddessy. Wait a minute, I'm gonna come in so you can see. Girl, look at your skin. What did I tell you? Before I found that makeup, I was terrible at makeup. I would go to the store, get lost in the beauty aisle, struggling to try to figure out what product I should be getting, what color, what brand. Girl, why is buying makeup in the store so humbling as a makeup beginner? I bet you've never seen this before, girl. Go back to your contour color with a flat and angled brush like this one. Give yourself these little tiny hair strokes to fill in your brows. You can line underneath your tail, kind of accentuate your arch, and just use little light feather hair strokes to fill in. Multi-purpose, multifunction, babe on a budget. I can use the least amount of products in the least amount of time and get flawless skin. Sign me up. You're literally almost done our makeup. Come to the back of your compact, grab some blush, tap that on, use the same brush that we applied our bronzer with, and girl, just kind of fluff it out. Done. You don't need an overcomplicated makeup routine that takes, 30 and 40 minutes. All we need is 5 minutes in this one palette. Especially if you're over 40, it just makes your skin look so pretty. Take some cream highlighter. Look how pretty that is. Add it here and here. Couple taps to blend it in. And look how teeny and tiny your nose looks. Girl, you don't even need to have a nose job. Just above where you applied your blush, add some of that cream highlighter. And it gives such a radiant kind of just sparkle. What did I tell you? Glowing. Glowing. Another trick of the trade. Take some dark eyeshadow. Give yourself some eyeliner, girly. Mascara to seal the deal. And girl, you are done your easy makeup. Did I not tell you? I feel like no other beauty person is gonna come in, zoom in on their face and really show you what your skin looks like after you apply your makeup. This is over 40. I have pores. I have fine lines. But I also have this cream makeup that makes my skin kind of look youthful, radiant, natural, and amazing. You can be done here. At this point, you're gonna set your makeup. And I love this L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. It gives such a pretty finish. And it's not like those other like wet liquid setting sprays. This is more of like a mist, an aerosol, and it just gives the prettiest flawless finish. It's beautiful, it's gonna last, it's not gonna rub off. Now for me personally, this is personal preference. I love to come in with a pressed setting powder under my under eye since I'm over 40. This is gonna kind of help me too, just kind of brighten and mattify. Look how pretty, look at the difference too. If you want a more dewy look, don't add the setting powder under your eye. But if you want like a mattifying and more bright look, add your setting powder under your eye. Just a little bit. Get the excess off on the back of your hand and just kind of tap. Girl, that's it. I just want you to look at how amazing and how pretty your skin is. And it took 5 minutes. Went for the bare face because, girl, you remember where we started from. Comment match if you want to know your colors. And don't forget to save this video so that way you can come back and get the prettiest skin of your over 40 life too.